to copy our that column section, then what we'll do actually, first of all, I'll select by clicking here, I'll select both that one and also that one. After that, I'll just go here, edit. After coming edits, okay, after coming edits here, just simply click on that show height, that option, and now you can see here the copy option is available. So I'll click on that option, and from here carefully I'll select the middle point of it, and I'll copy here one, or don't show this message again, expand, and again here on, and again here on. Okay, so I'll escape, just see, and I'll right click, interrupt. So here we have created all of our column section and all of our foundation at a time. Clear? So this is the way to do that very easily.